Thank you. Here's our last song po. Para sa mga mahilig sa Alanis Morissette. Para po sa inyo, boss. I want you to know that I'm happy for you. I wish nothing but the best for you both. I know the version of me, is she perverted like me? Would she go down on you in a theater? Does she speak eloquently? And would she have your baby? I'm sure she'd make a really excellent mother. Cause your love is together to make us unable to make it enough for you to be open wide. No, and every time you speak her name, does she know how you told me and hold me till you die, but you're still alive when I'm here to remind you of the mess you left when you went away. It's not fair to deny me all the cross I made that you gave to me. Oh, no. You seem very well. Things look peaceful. I'm not quite as well. I thought you should know. Did you forget about me, Mr. Duplicity? I hate to plug you in the middle of dinner. It was a slap in the face, how quickly I was replaced. And I am thinking of me when you start. The love that you gave to me was able to make it up for you to be open wide. Go, and every time you speak her name, does you know how you told me and hold me until you die, but you're still alive when I'm here to remind you of the mess you left when you went away. It's not fair to deny me of the cross I made that you gave to me. Oh, no. Cause the joke is laid in the back of the fade, and I'm not gonna fade next to you. You close your eyes, and you know it. And every time you scratch my nails down someone else's back, I hope you feel it. Why can't you feel it? Well, I'm here to remind you of the mess you left when you went away. It's not fair to deny me of the cross I made that you gave to me. Oh, no, I'm here to remind you of the mess you left when you went away. It's not fair to deny me of the cross I made that you gave to me. Oh, no. Thank you. Salamat po. Thank you very much.
Once again, FOT, thank you very much. All right, at this point, we would like now to thank our sponsors. Eyes to the LED wall, please.
The Peña Francia Festival Civic Events is presented by the City Government of Naga, headed by Mayor Lenny Robredo and Vice Mayor Gabi Bordado. Platinum sponsors, Coca-Cola and San Miguel Brewery. Gold sponsors, Dito Telecommunity, Pepsi Cola, Lotus Blue Hotel, the official residence of Miss Bicolandia candidates. Silver sponsors, BDO, McDonald's, LYRR Realty Development Corporation, Developer, Deca Homes and Uma Hotel and Residences, Philworks Construction and Supply, Robinson's Naga, Summit Hotel Naga. Bronze sponsors, Avenue Plaza Hotel, Bicol Isarog Transport System Incorporated, Biggs, Development Bank of the Philippines, DLTV Co., the official transport service of Miss Bicolandia candidates, Downtown District Hotel, Philinvest Land, Developer, Futura Monte, Fronera Philippines Incorporated, Ginebra San Miguel, Globe Telecom, Hotel Sogo, JBE, Jaime Bichara Enterprises, Jollibee, Las Automotive Corporation, Mang Inasal, Lupa Incorporated, Mega Prime Foods Incorporated, Motor Trade, Nature Spring, Pocari Sweat, Smart Communications, South Star Drug, LCC Malls, Sierra de Balon Travel and Tours Incorporated, PLDT Home, and Lautan Luas Incorporated.
Marhay na Bangiliwat, Naga City! Alright, welcome pa rin, syempre sa ating tagpuan 2025, and we're down to the last two band bago natin makilala ang ating guest artist ngayong gabi. Walang iba, ang Sky Garden, and syempre kasama natin ang demo artist na si Rio. Mamaya-maya lang yan mga ka-winner. Alright.
Once again, Maray na Banggi, Bicolandia! Nako, naririnig ko na ang energy ng ating mga Nagenyos and Nagenias. Handa na ba kayo para sa banda Ngunyang Banggi? Well, DJ Maki, bago ang lahat, let me remind everyone, tayo po ay mamimigay ng regalo mula sa Pocari Sweat kung sino po ang pinaka-energetic ngayong gabi. So everybody, when I say hep hep, I want you all to say hooray. Let me hear you say hep hep. Very good.
Titignan natin mamaya, DJ Chinchay, kung sino ang pinaka-energetic ngayong gabi. And like you said, mamimigay tayo ng papremyo mula, of course, sa Pocari Sweat. Mamaya-maya ng konti lang yan.
Nako, maski ako, na-excite na rin ako, DJ Maki. Alam nyo ba, ka-winner, ng ating featured band na makakasama din natin mamaya, hindi lang banda, kundi artista pa. Siya po ay bumida sa pulang araw, walang iba kundi si Rio, na siguradong kikiligin ka talaga.
Konnichiwa, arigatou gozaimasu.
Ay! Nako!
Mamaya-maya yan. Malapit nyo lang. Actually, nasa holding area na sila. Nakita na namin din. So mamaya-maya ay makakasama na natin sila. Magbibigay syempre ng entertainment para sa ating lahat ngayong fiesta.
sobrang gwapo. Kanina talaga, DJ Mackie.
Yung gwapo talaga yung napansin mo, no?
Sobrang gwapo talaga kasi sobrang speechless ako. And nagpaalam po ako kung pwedeng maki-selfie mamaya.
Pwede
with the
daw.
crowd. Naku, nakikita ko na ang mga fans ng Sky Garden.
Yes, so mamaya magsi-selfie tayo with Rio and the band Sky Garden. So stay with us until mamaya-maya lang.
Naku, nararamdaman ko na ang excitement nila. Pero by the way, sa ating mga guests po na nasa likodan, free admission po inyo. Maaari po kayong pumasok para mas makita po namin kayo ng mas malapitan. Naganyos and naganyos! Come on in! Laog na po kita! Pasok po ang kabos, kadakol pa pong seats digdi sa inutan.
Yes,
Wala po yung bayad, libre po yan.
para mas enjoy up close mamaya-maya. Makakasama na natin ang Sky Garden. But for now, syempre, meron pa tayong dalawang local band na makakasama
Yes.
natin at haharanahin kayo ngayong gabi.
Alam mo ba, DJ Mackie, na ang susunod na banda ay hindi lang dito sa local nagpe-perform bagkos national. Na-feature na rin siya sa TV and of course, sa Wish 107.5. But not just that. Dahil alam nyo ba na ang ating lead vocalist, naririnig na natin, nagdadala rin ng karangalan para sa Bicol. And I think, habang patuloy na nagre-ready ang susunod na banda, i-remind ko po ang kabos kung sino po ang pinaka-energetic na makikita ko at siyan ay mag-uuwi ng regalo mula sa Pocari. And not just that, makakapag-selfie pa with Rio.
Totoo yan, Chichay. Kaya naman mamaya
Yes.
kailangan namin ng most energetic na concert goer mamaya-maya.
Pero DJ Mackie, feeling ko ako yung energetic. Baka ako na lang yung magpa-selfie.
Feeling ko, ikaw talaga yon. Oo.
Baka ako na to. Oras ko na to. Pero syempre, bago ang lahat, tignan natin ang energy ng ating mga ka-winner na nasa iba't ibang sulok ng Tagboan Ngunyang Banggi. Ang satuyang mga ka-winner na nasa dulo. Everybody, let's make some noise! Malakas pa rin! Nako, mamaya titignan ko ang energy nila. Pero DJ Mackie, habang patuloy pa rin tayong nag-ready, I think pwede na akong mamigay ng isang regalo na muna.
Feeling ko
Haling sa
isa, okay
Pocari.
na tayo mamigay ng isa ngayon. Habang nag-stand pa or nag-ready pa ang ating susunod na banda ngayong gabi.
Pero bago ang lahat, DJ Mackie, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. Thank you so much to all our sponsors who made this day possible. Maraming salamat po. And syempre to Honorable Mayor Attorney Lenny Robredo, thank you so much. Kanina nakita ko rin po ang ating Congressman Nelson Ligacion sa booths na nasa labas. Hello po and shout out to Kong Nelson Ligacion na nandito rin po. Ngonyang Aldao.
Yes, maraming salamat po, Congressman. And of course, kanina kasama din natin si Vice Mayor Honorable Gabriel Bordado Jr. And of course, ang lahat ng bubuo ng LGU Naga.
Yes.
Yan.
And of course, i-remind po namin ang gabos, free admission po ang bawat tukawan na nandito po ngunyan. So sa ating mga ka-winner na nasa iba't ibang sulok po ng Tagboan, maaari pa rin po tayong pumasok para enjoyan ang ating free concert this evening. At habang patuloy pa rin naghahanda ang ating susunod na banda, DJ Mackie, gusto po namin inform ang gabos kadakol po 3 band digdi sa Tagboan. Maaari po tayong lumibot para tumingin ang ating mga iba't ibang makakain.
At kitang-kita ko nga din na Chichay kasi lahat ng mga tindahan na nandito ngayon ay punong-puno ng mga kumakain. And for sure, masarap yan at mamaya itatry din natin yan, DJ Chichay. So enjoy lang kayo. May pagkain na, may music pa. Saan ka pa? Dito ka na sa Tagboan
Sa Tagboan.
2025.
Yes. And once again, i-remind ko po ang lahat, pag sinabi naming hep-hep, kailangang may hooray. And of course, pag
Okay.
sinabi naming make some noise, dapat pinaghihiyawan. Walang concert na tahimik. Naga City, show us what you got. Make some noise! Alright!
Thank you
I
very
can
much.
feel the energy of the crowd. So everybody,
Okay. I think ready na ang ating susunod na banda.
yes, everybody, without further ado, with beloved local hits like Panalangin ng Prinsesa and Loved by You, distributed by Warner Music Philippines. She etched her name into both local and national music scene, guested at Wish 107.5 and I Want ASAP Online.
Every song she sings is a journey. Each note a thread that weaves through your memories. Tugging and emotions usually were long forgotten. She doesn't just perform, she reigns.
With every set, she draws you into her kingdom of sound and soul. And once you're there, you won't want to leave. Power, talent, queen, everybody isang masigabong palakpakan for Happy Sessions!
A fever pitch and it's bringing me out the door. Finally, I can see it crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out of the alley you're sleeping. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the door. Of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love
cream. Seconds out, ha. Mga kalamin, walang cream. Mga propeta, bilig kong inakasa. Dala ko makargada, papatunayan na hindi ka na makagalas. Yung mga salita, hindi matagal lang mabawalaan si Malayo. Ha! Para sa kitong may garap, binabalagang katong nalimunoy ko pagkulipot. Ngayon na intindihan mo na ba? Palagi magkamali ko na ang bibinaga. Abang ano ang atalata, sa mga bitalang ko na liriko. Di ka makakaya nito, binabato ko ng mga salita. Para di ko malakagalaw, katakataka na na walang kanis, pinapalukit, kinakatukot ang pinamala. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, Naga City! Throw yourself through every open door. Count your blessings for what you look for. Down my sorrow, head to trust and gold. You'll pay me back in time. If that's what you sow. We could have had it all. You have a heart inside of your head, and you played and you played and you played it. We could have had it all. We're all in it. You have a heart inside of your head, and you played and you played and you played it. Put it to Woo! Magandang gabi, Naga City! I'm sure alam na alam niyo tong kantang to. If you guys know this song, you can all sing with us. Gusto ka bang sabihin, ba't di mapakali, hindi makatingin? Sana'y huwag mo na tong palipasin. Subukang lutasin sa mga sinabi mo na ibang nararapat sa akin. At tunay kong mamahalin. Come on, Naga City, if you know the words, sing! Go! Louder! Takbuhan, let's go! Ano man ang iyong akala na ako'y isang bituin na walang sasambahin. Di mo man ito ipakita, abot hangit ang daing sa mga sinabi mo na ibang nararapat sa akin. Tunay kong mamahalin. Come on, Taban, one more time. Let's go. Let's go. Wag na wag mong sasabihin na hindi mo nadama ito. Pag-ibig kong handang ibigay kahit magkalayaan mo. At sa gabi, sinong duduyan sa'yo? At sa
thank you very much. That was from Kitchen nila. Sa mga sumasabay sa amin, maraming salamat. Sa mga pumapalakpak dyan at nakaka-appreciate ng music namin, maraming salamat po. Meron ba dito masakit ang puso? Meron ba dito medyo mabigat na pakiramdam ngayong gabi? Pakilakasan, ladies and gentlemen, meron ba dito masakit ang puso? Madami. Madami. Isa lang. Hindi, meron pa sa likod eh. Itong susunod na kanta namin, medyo mananakit muna kami. Okay lang? Mananakit muna kami bago tayo mag-happy-happy tonight. Para to sa lahat ng mga medyo masakit ang puso ngayong gabi. Medyo nasasaktan ngayong gabi. Hindi mapigil ang bugso ng aking isip sa tuwing ako'y papalapit sa'yo. Maaari ba hingin ng iyong kamay? Hawakan mo't huwag mong bitawan. Tibok ng aking puso sa tuwing ako'y nakatingin sa'yo. Maaari bang huwag kang humiwalay? Hawakan mo't huwag mong bitawan. Kung darating say, kahit sana. Come on, tagpuan louder. Ang sakit nun, guys. Sakit. Hindi matigil ang gulo sa aking isip. At para bang walang kasing sakit. Alaala mong hindi ko malimutan. Oras lang ang may alam. Kung darating din ang gabi, walang ibig. May lumuluha na dyan, alam ko. Meron, lalo na itong nasa harapan, si ate girl. Si ate girl na ito, si ate girl na naka-black, oh. Okay ka lang, ate? Kahit sandali, palayain ang pusong di mapigil. Para sa ating dalawa, ang maling pagkakataon na hindi na para sa atin. Oh, kahit sandali, patawarin ang pusong di tumigil. Para sa ating dalawa, ang maling pagkakataon na ika'y magiging akin. Jack on guitar, ladies and gentlemen. Sa mga nag-e-emote dyan, this is your moment. At sa bawat minuto, ako'y di natuto. Ipilit mang iba, ako'y maghihintay sa'yo. Ikaw ang aking kapiling sa huling sandali. Kasalanan ba kung puso natin ang magwawagi? Ganon lang yon? Ganon lang yon, ang hina, tagpuan! Kahit sandali, kasalanan ang pusong di mapigil. Sana tayong dalawa sa huling pagkakataon na hindi na para sa atin. Oh, kahit sandali, patawarin ang pusong di tumigil. Para sa ating dalawa, ang maling pagkakataon na ika'y magiging akin. Maraming salamat. We are Happy Sessions, ladies and gentlemen. Magandang gabi. Happy Fiesta, everybody. Alright, so itong next song po namin, mga kaibigan. This is actually an original song. Kung nanakit kami kanina, mananakit pa rin kami ngayon. Akala nyo, ha? Para to sa lahat na medyo, kanina, siyempre, masakit ang puso, di ba? Ito sa lahat ng masakit pa rin ang puso, na umaasa pa rin hanggang ngayon. Umaasa pa rin hanggang ngayon kahit alam nyo naman na wala na. This is called Panalangin ng Prinsesa, mga kaibigan. This is an original song. please do support local artists. Support Happy Music, Happy Sessions. You can stream this song on Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Pwede nyo itong gamitin sa mga TikTok videos nyo, Instagram stories nyo, Facebook stories nyo. Search nyo na lang. Kung medyo nagsisenti kayo, search nyo na lang Happy, H-A-P-E-E. Lalabas na tong kanta na to. Pero ito, para sa lahat na masakit ang puso ngayon. Hindi naman ako nananadsa. Pero para to sa lahat ng mga medyo may pinagdadaanan ngayong gabi. Nagmumukmok na naman. Wala palapitan. Nag-iisa na naman. Ang prinsipe ay muling naglisan. Sana bukas ay muling makita. Ang iyong prinsesa ay naghihintay. Kapag ikaw ay muling makapiling, buong puso sa'yo ibibigay. Nalulungkot na naman mga kawal ang napagbabalingan. Umiiyak na naman, tulala sa dalampasigan. Sana bukas ay muling magkita. Ang iyong prinsesa ay naghihintay. Kapag ikaw ay muling makapiling, buong puso sa'yo ibibigay. Paul Ocampo, on keys, ladies and gentlemen. Pagkat ako'y nagsisisi, baka sinabi di na mauulit. Bumalik ka na sa ating kaharian nang ipagpatuloy ating kwentong pag-ibig. Sana bukas ay muling magkita. Ang iyong prinsesa ay naghihintay. Kapag ikaw ay muling makapiling, buong puso sa'yo ibibigay. Sana bukas ay muling magkita. Ang iyong prinsesa ay naghihintay. Kapag ikaw ay muling makapiling, buong isa mga kaibigan. That was our first single, ladies and gentlemen. So you can stream that song on Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. All right, so... I love you too. I love you too! Love you too. Alright, next song. Another original song, mga kaibigan. Bakit pa tayo lalayo, di ba? Doon tayo sa original, mga kaibigan. Support local artists, ika nga. Support Bicolano artists. This is next song namin, another original song, mga kaibigan, which has brought me to Wish 107.5. I Want Us Up Online. At ginamit din tong music na to sa show ni Kuya Kim on GMA's Dapat Alam Mo Na. So, this is called Love by You. Kung kanina, para sa lahat ng mga masakit ng puso, ngayon naman para sa lahat ng mga in love. Maraming in love ngayon dito. Para sa mga in love ngayong gabi, dito sa Tagboan, this is called Loved by You from yours truly. I never see the sun rises. And I don't eat my breakfast too. I get up slowly during mornings. Ooh, and my day starts afternoon. And all this girl has learned how to prepare pancakes just for you. You got me feeling no longer blue. You got me feeling loved by you. And then this girl has turned into a lady with dreams and visions too. You got me feeling no longer blue. You got me feeling loved, oh, loved by you. Now I'm excited every morning to start my day, then I see you. It's a pretty day, I'm making so pretty just like you. I'm just so inspired by you. You can stream this on Spotify. And now this girl has learned how to prepare pancakes just for you. You got me feeling no longer blue. You got me feeling loved by you. And then this girl has turned into a lady with dreams and visions too. You got me feeling no longer blue. You got me feeling loved, oh, loved by you. And now this girl has learned how to prepare pancakes just for you. You got me feeling no longer blue. You got me feeling loved by you. And then this girl has turned into a lady with dreams and visions too. You got me feeling no longer blue. You got me feeling loved, oh, loved by you. Feeling loved, oh, loved by you. You got me feeling loved, oh, loved by you. You got me feeling loved, feeling loved Diba? Pang in love talaga. Feel in love by you. Oh, so we were cut short, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, once again, we're happy sessions. Susunod po sa amin, Overheat, mga kaibigan. Mga idol natin to. Idol natin to, mga kaibigan. Ito mga susunod na kanta namin, I'm sure alam na alam ninyo. So if you know the words, everybody here from Tagpuan, you all can sing with me. Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, hanggang maubos ang hubog, hanggang gumulong ang luha, hanggang maubos ang tala. Come on, Tagpuan, sing! Masdan mo aking mata, di mo ba nakikita? Ako ngayon lumilipad at nasa langit na. Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba? Sumama. Oh, pare ko, meron akong problema. Huwag mong sabihin na naman. Come on, Tagpuan people, let's go! In love ako sa isang kalehiyara. Hindi ko maintindihan. Masakit bang isipin? Kailangan kang gawin. Kung kailan ka naging seryoso sa kakayahan, may gagawin. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's go! Oh, let's go! magasin. Dilaw ang iyong suot at buhok mo'y isang tindahan. Sabay bakaran, napatingin at tulala sa iyong kagandahan. Naaalala mo ba ba nung tayo dalawa? Di ko inakalang sisikat ka. Tinawanan pa kita, tinawag mo kong walang hiya. Medyo sa kakapanon, ulit na yun. Come on, Takbo, let's go! Say! Iba na ang iyong tingin, iba na ang iyong tingin. Nagbago ng lahat sa'yo. Sana hindi nakita, sana'y walang problema. Pagkat kulang ang dala kong pera. Iba na ang iyong ngiti, iba na ang iyong tingin. Nagbago ng lahat sa'yo. Sana'y hindi nakita, sana'y walang problema. Pagkat kulang ang dala kong pera. Pambili, pambili sa mukha mong maganda. Hey, kung nag-enjoy kayong lahat-lahat, pumalakpak! Magdadrive ako hanggang Baguio. Magdadrive ako hanggang Bicol. Magdadrive ako hanggang to the moon. Please, please, lang turuan mo akong mag-drive. Come on, Takbo, let's go! Gusto kong matutong mag-drive. Gusto kong matutong mag-drive. Mag-drive. Drive. Drive. Oh. Thank you! Thank you, Takbo!
All right, thank you very much. Happy sessions.
Kabakamasi. Last na po ito. Para lumuan nung tayo ay bata pa. At ang galing-galing mong sumayaw. Mapabugi man o tsa-tsa. Ngunit ang paborito ay ang pagsayaw mo ng El Bimbo. Nakakainda, nakakabaliw, nakakatindig. Ano? Pagkakaling sa square. help me out on this one. Magkaha. Magkahawak ang ating kamay at walang kamalay-malay na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig ng tunay. La 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 la, la la, la la, la la la, la 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 la. Ang hina tagpuan! Once again, we're happy sessions, ladies and gentlemen. That will be all for tonight for us. Maraming salamat to your happy sessions. Please don't forget to like our Facebook page. It's Happy, H-A-P-E-E. Wrong spelling wrong, mga kaibigan. It's H-A-P-E-E. And please don't forget to subscribe and listen to our music. It's Happy, H-A-P-E-E, on Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Maraming salamat po. Magkita-kita po tayong muli. Happy Fiesta, Bicolania! Maraming salamat. Na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig. Once again, we're Happy Sessions, ladies and gentlemen. Ako po si Happy. I'm with Jack, Paul, Muloy, JC, and Butch. Your Happy Sessions. Palakpakan, mga kaibigan. Na tunay. Thank you, everybody. Have a good night. Be home safe. And remember, always choose to be happy. Thank you.
Once again, that is the one and the only Happy Sessions. Wala ba tayong masigabong palakpakan dyan? Everybody, we would like to thank all our sponsors who made this day possible. Everybody, eyes at the lateral, please, for the sponsors.
The Peña Francia Festival Civic Events is presented by the City Government of Naga, headed by Mayor Lenny Robredo and Vice Mayor Gabi Bordado. Platinum sponsors: Coca-Cola and San Miguel Brewery. Gold sponsors: Dito Telecommunity, Pepsi Cola, Lotus Blue Hotel, the official residence of Miss Bicolanja candidate. Silver sponsors: BDO, McDonald's, LYRR Realty Development Corporation, Developer, Deca Homes and Uma Hotel and Residences, Philworks Construction and Supply, Robinson's Naga, Summit Hotel Naga. Bronze sponsors: Avenue Plaza Hotel, Bicol Isarog Transport System Incorporated, Biggs, Development Bank of the Philippines, DLTV Co., the official transport service of Miss Bicolanja candidates, Downtown District Hotel, Philinvest Land, Developer, Futura Monte, Fronera Philippines Incorporated, Ginebra San Miguel, Globe Telecom, Hotel Sogo, JBE, Jaime Bichara Enterprises, Jollibee, Las Automotive Corporation, Mang Inasal, Lupa Incorporated, Mega Prime Foods Incorporated, Motor Trade, Nature Spring, Pocari Sweat, Smart Communications, South Star Drug, LCC Malls, Sierra de Ibalon Travel and Tours Incorporated, BLDT Home, and Lautan Luas Incorporated.
Bang Giliwat, Naga City!
Bicolania! Maray na banggi, wala bang palakpakan dyan! Grabe! Ramdam na ramdam natin ang rock-rockan together with Happy Session, DJ Naki.
Yes, rock and roll. Ang galing ni Happy. Thank you very much.
Grabe.
And Happy Session, in general, ang galing nyo. Rock and roll talaga.
Siguradong she will make you happy pag nag-perform talaga. Pero kagaya nga po ng aking pinangako, bago ko ibigay ang regalo na galing sa Pocari Sweat, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our Honorable City Mayor, Attorney Lenny Robredo. Wala ba tayong palakpakan dyan?
Diyos, maray na banggi po, Mayor Lenny, and enjoy po the music tonight.
And of course, our Sir Alan, thank you so much.
Sir
This
Alan.
is my second year, digdi, sa Tagboan, DJ Maki. Pero, gusto ko na munang mag-energy check, and the most energetic on this part will receive a gift from Pocari at makakasama na natin ang artistang si Rio of Sky Garden. So everybody, let me hear you say, hep, hep! That's the energy we're looking for. And of course, yung mga nasa gilid, gusto ko rin marinig ang energy. Let me hear you say, hep, hep! Alright. Siyempre, bago ang lahat, habang patuloy pa rin na naghahanda ang ating overheat, alam kong excited na po ang lahat. Ilang minuto na lang tayo po ay mamimigay na rin ang ating regalo mula sa Pocari Sweat. So everybody, kung kayo ay napasayaw at napaindak with Happy Session, ang ating susunod na banda siguradong mapapasayaw kayo. So para sa ating mga Bicolanos, Bicolanas, Nagueños, and Nagueña, maaari po tayong pumasok. Open na po ang ating mga barikada. Maaari po tayong pumasok to enjoy the concert and party. Hindi kompleto ang concert kung walang sayawan. Do you agree? Yes! Yun ang hinahanap kong energy, DJ Maki.
At dahil dyan, mamibigay na ba tayo, Chichay, ng Pocari Sweat ngayong gabi? Ibibigay na ba natin to habang nag-ready ang overheat para sa kanilang energetic performance tonight?
And habang patuloy pa rin na naghahanda ang ating overheat, I wanna make sure, Bicolandia, nakikita ba ako ng lahat? Thumbs up if yes! Kita ba ako ng gabos? I can't see your hands. Hands up. Kita ko ng lahat. Very good. Kung sino po ang energetic na makikita ko, makaka-receive po ng regalo mula sa Pocari at makakasama natin ang banda na Sky Garden. So I would like to do a little energy check first. Everybody, Bicolandia, make some noise! Alright, energetic, pero syempre,
ready na sila, Chichay.
handa na sila. At habang patuloy pa rin na nagre-ready ang ating susunod na banda, everybody, dahil nakikita po ako ng lahat, we will do a celebration flash mob showing kung gaano ba kaugma ang maugmang lugar ning Naga. So, Bicolanos, don't worry, wala rin po akong talent sa dancing, puro confidence lang gayon. So, wala po akong talent sa ganyan. Kaya confidence lang ang aking ibibigay. Dito para sa ating first step, everybody, all we have to do is clap our hands in the air. Bicolanias, clap your hands. That's the first step. Very good. And syempre, no exemption.
Tayo muna lahat. Tayo,
We wanna
tayo,
ask
tayo,
everyone to
tayo.
please rise.
Ayan.
Magsitayo po ang
Para
gabos.
mas feel natin yung vibe.
Included
Okay.
po ang nasa gilid, bigyan din po ng Pocari kung sino ang energetic na mga nasa gilid. Siyempre, alam kong para tayo may VIP this area, mga nakaturukaw, tindog muna po ang gabos. Yes, lahat po, tayo ang gabos.
Tayo po tayo, tayo. Yung mga nasa likod po,
Everybody,
tayo.
for our first step, all we have to do is clap our hands in the air. On my count, in 3, ay competitive, 2, 1, and clap, 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 and clap. Very good. That's the first step, everybody. For our second step, all we have to do, kanang kamay lamang po. That's single, single, double, double, single, single, double, double. Everybody, I
Alright.
want to see your right hand up, please. Everybody ready for the single, single, double, double in 3, 2, 1, and single, single, double, double, single, single, double, double. Very good. Our second to the last step is up and down. Up and down and up and down and up. Pero as we raise our hands, kaipuhan naghihiyawan. Kailangan nag-iingay. So, woo! And down and louder! 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 Ayun. Our
Alright.
last step is roll, roll, clap, clap. Without further ado, DJ, music, please! Give us Geronimo. Everybody, clap your hands! Wala bang hiyawan! Here we go! Clap your hands in the air, come on! Wala bang mas malakas na hiyawan! Come on, clap your hands!
If we bridge this gap, I can see
Here we
you
go!
through the curtains of
Ready
your
for single, single, double, double! Yeah!
When I lost it, yeah, you held my
Alright!
hand, but I
Ay, bigay todo! May
didn't
balakang pa!
understand you were waiting.
Ready for up and down! Mga nasa gilid, kailangan may hiyawan! Woo! Up! Louder! 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 Here we go! Wala bang hiyawan! Once again, everybody, welcome to Tagboan, Day 3. Pwede na tayo umupo. Wala akong talent sa singing and dancing, pero may pampremyo tayo galing sa Pukari. Feeling ko
Alright.
yun ang aking ilalaban. So we will call the winner on stage. Ating naka-color white. Yes, come and join us. Lapit ka dito, ate. Come and join us on stage.
Congratulations, ate. Punta ka dito sa taas. Alright. So meron tayong
Our
loot
first
bags
lucky
dito.
winner. Okay, ate, give us your name and taga saan ka?
San Rafael.
San Rafael. Taga San Rafael. We have here from
Zone 6 po, San Rafael.
Zone 6, San Rafael. Si Sayang Kaibana ni ate. Energetic. Thank you so much. Unang regalo pa lamang po yan galing sa Pukari. Wala ba tayong palakpakan dyan?
Thank you
you
very
so
much.
much. Enjoy the show.
Alright, I guess, CJ, ready na ang
Grabe.
ating susunod na banda?
Hindi ko na
Alright.
papatagalin pa. Our next band is a high energy ska band bringing explosive brass, groovy rhythms, powerful vocals to every stage.
With their signature catchphrase, ladies and gents, they deliver a unique mix of ska, pop, and OPM that keeps the crowd dancing all night.
Without further ado, isang masigabong palakpakan na may hiyawan for Overheat! Check, check. Check, check. Sound check. Hello, sound check, 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 check. dyan? Okay pa ba? Mag-ingay! Okay pa ba? Alright. Kami pala ng overheat from Bulacan. Arayon, patig dumanan ni. Inanod kami kang baha. Eme, we are overheat from Baaw Siton. We will give you some skanking music tonight. Are you ready? Alright. Sa aming first song, may mga pakul ba dyan? Igwa? Oh my God, may pakul. Pira-pira lang. Pero kung bakuman ka mong pakul, gusto ko, digdi sa first song, may sabayan nindo ako. Iyo! Alright, pag sinabi kong, give it to me baby, sabihon nindo, aha, aha. Iyo, naintindihan? Alright, try. Give it to me baby. Medyo maluya pa. Pakusog-kusog ata. Give it to me, baby! One more try, Mark. One more try. Dahil ko pa nadadangog. Sinasa likod. Give it to me, baby! Come on! Let's go! Give it to me, baby! Come on, everybody! Give it to me, baby! Dahil ko nadadangog. Give it to me, baby, one more time. All the girls would say I'm pretty fly for a white guy. Hey! Come on, tayo! Sayaw, everybody! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. You know it's kinda hot, just you get along today. I stopped accusing Cooper, he fakes it anyway. He may not have a clue and he may not have a style, but everything he loves, well, he makes a pity now. So don't even let him say, you know who doesn't get it anyway. Way I feel, keep it real. You know, baby, but you know it's not you won't wait. Just have a confidence, you know you can go on and do it. The world needs one piece of, hey, to the baby, baby, one more time. Give it to me, baby, come on. Give it to me, baby, one more time. Give it to me, baby. Know the girl said I'm pretty fly for a woman. He needs some cool t-shirts, and it will suffice. But he didn't have his cubes up with all vanilla ice. Now cruising in his pink so he saw me sassy fast. But if it looks twice, he gonna kick his silly ass. Don't you know? Hey, straight. You know who doesn't get it anyway. The way I feel, keep it real. You know, baby, but you know it's not you won't wait. You know you can go on and do it. The world needs one piece of, hey, to the baby, baby. Now he's getting on to 2, yeah, he's getting ink done. He asked for all 13, but he drew a 31 per day. He's trying too hard and he's not quite there. But in his own mind, his check, it's a quarter trick. Give it to me, baby, come on. Give it to me, baby, one more time. Give it to me, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't even play it straight. You know who doesn't get it anyway. The way I feel, keep it real. You know, baby, but you know it's not you won't wait. Just have a confidence. You know you can go on and do it. The world needs one piece of. The world needs one piece of. Let's get some more wannabes of. Hey, to the baby, baby. All right. All right. Thank you so much. Medyo tinamaan kita ning kapausan. Our next song is from The Offspring. You and I in a little toy shop, buy a pack of balloons with the money we
till one by one they were gone. Backup bass box in the software flashed a message. Something's out there floating in the summer sky. It's 99 red balloons go by. Come on, jump everybody! Hey! Let's go! Put your hands up in the air! Let's go!
What's your name? Anyways, on the line, girl. On the line, girl. On the line, girl. On the line, girl. The wall's gonna block you, oh, it's gonna stop thank you. Alright, nag-i-enjoy pa ba ka, boss? Ayun, buhay na buhay pa. Alright, sa aming next song, this is our very new original song, nakakagibo lang last week. So this is our second event na i-play me siya. So, mapabisto lang ako sa pamamagitan kaning kantang ini. This song's called O Danica. Danica, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Danica's got a voice like fire, burning bright, climbing higher. She skanks you to be like so many feet. Overheats her banner or her style. She's the queen of the scat ground. Danica, Danica, she's the one who electrifies. Danica, Danica, feel the heat and the red on fire. Crowd, jump and scream, the bass line starts to rock, so into words of flame. Hey, she's a melody with a rebel heart, syncopated work of art. Danica dances, the room ignites, discovering what's under the light. 1, 2. Danica, Danica, she's the one who likes you fire. Danica, Danica, feel the heat and the rhythm. Danica, Danica, she's the one who likes you fire. Danica, Danica, feel the heat and the rhythm fire. Once again, show Ram on saxophone. DJ on trombone. She's the one who likes your fire. Danica, Danica, feel the heat and the red on fire. Yo, it's Danica stepping to the stage. Microphone magic, she's all the range. Skanking in the rhythm, hear the music's play. Got gibberish, give it a rock. She play from the local dive to the international spot, dropping beats and lines that I never ever forgotten. Hiller's game tight, her voice is power. Whoa, Danica's got a voice like fire, burning bright, climbing higher. She's kicks to the beat like so many feet. Uno, dos, tres. Danica, Danica, she's the one who likes your fire. Danica, Danica, feel the heat and the red on fire.
nyo yan. Soon i-release namin yan. Nagustuhan nyo ba? Alright, pakistream na din yung mga original songs namin sa Spotify. And abangan nyo si Ernest mamaya. Yung kumanta ng Binibining Pilipina na humarana sa Bini. Alright? Okay pa ba? Salamat sa mga nag-stay. Order naman kayo sa mga stall natin dyan. Bigyan natin sila ng benta. Once again, thank you so much sa mga organizers sa pag-invite sa amin dito. This is our first time dito sa Tagboan Festival and we are so grateful na na-invite kami dito. Sana sa susunod ulit. Alright, sa aming next song, a song from Lea Salonga, A Whole New World. Let's go! Let's go, Skokie people! Hey, hey, hey! I was sitting around just thinking complete on my life and I had to go. I picked up the receiver and I did not believe it when I heard about the honor. When I am down and I am new, all I have to do is close my eyes and think of you. And the world is new. Hey, hey, hey! Oh, I was getting hated, but things are on the spinner when I first received your call. But now that's the best in the view, the one was missing on now while I'm standing by you. And I am down and I am new. All I have to do is close my eyes and think of you. Let's song time and sucks, everybody! Dun bass. I was sitting around just thinking complete on my life and I had a fall. I picked up the receiver and I did not believe it when I heard about the honor. When I am down and I am new, all I have to do is close my eyes and think of you. Yeah, our world is you. So Thank you. Gusto ko lang i-shout out yung gitarista namin, wala ngayon. Kung nasaan ka man, Rambo, dyan ka na lang. We love you. Happy birthday din pala sa aming gitarista ngayon. I-greet natin siya ng happy birthday. Sabay-sabay, happy birthday! Let's go! Ayun. Thank you so much. Alright, love song naman. Walang keys. Rated SPG. Hi din pala sa aking mga friends. Nasa baba, thank you so much for coming. Alright, love song. Was sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water and I think of all the things watching her in my head. I paint a picture. Since I've come home, well, my body's witness, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to chase. Won't you come on over? Something to cool out of me. Somebody, why? Why don't you come on over? What? Valerie. A 1, 2, 3, and... Did you have to pay that fine? Now you're judging all the time. It's too easy. Lord, hope you didn't catch it then. Hope you find there are men who fix it for you. Who fix it for you? Are you shopping anywhere? Change the color of your hair. Are you busy? Are you busy? Did you have to pay that fine that you were dodging all the time? It's still easy. As soon as I come on home, oh my body's been missed. Yeah, I've been touching your hair and the way you like to twist. Watch come on over, some man a fool. I know. Why don't you come on over there? Alright, once again, we are over here, and thank you so much for having us here. Pwede bang tumayo tayo? Tayo, tayo! Sabayan nyo kami mag-spaghetti pababa. Let's go! Ngayon lang to! Tayo, 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 tayo! Mga nasa gilid, sa likod, tayo! Tayo, everybody! Let's go! Sasabayan nyo kami mag-spaghetti pababa. In my count. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and... Alright, ganito, ganito. Let's go. It's time to go lower. Lower, everybody. Lower. Gusto ko nakikita kayong naka-lower. Let's go. One more time. And lower, everybody. Sabay-sabay. Walang t-shirt ang hindi bababa. O, baba pa. Meron lang t-shirt. Nasaan na yung t-shirt natin? Alright, may t-shirt kami dito. Overheat Soundtrack Limited Edition. Gusto ko, nakikita ko kayong nakababa. Let's go, let's participate guys. Ngayon lang to. Ayun, yung nasa likod, ayaw nyo ba? Marami-rami to. Alright, ang makakasalo ito for only $799 pakibayaran. Charot, charot, charot lang. Lower. Lower. And then quiet, quiet. Very good students. That's right. Huwag kayong magkakagulo ah. Ay, may mga bata. Bawal ang bata! Are you ready? In my count. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's go! Hey! Seems I'm coming home when my body's missed. And I'll miss your dreams and hair and the way I do. Watch come on over, show me the fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Hoy, wag magkakagulo. Meron pa dito, abangan nyo. Alright, papakilala ko lang yung kapartner ko dito dahil medyo paus na ako. Alright, our next hawak ng golden microphone is Sir Ernest. Sir Ernest is kumanta ng Binibining Pilipina. this is not to inspire but to brag, yes. We brag this. Dahil hinarani niya naman lang yung mga bini sa MOA Arena. So let's give it up for Ernest of Overheat, everybody! Ayan, napaka-pogi. Let's go, Ernest, everybody. Pakilala ka, go!
Magandang gabi, Naga!
Hey!
Mukhang dito lang yung nakikita kong masaya, yung sa likod hindi. Pwede ko bang makita kayong lahat na masaya?
Hey!
Isa pa nga, isang malakas na sigawan naman dyan!
Hey!
Okay, nakikita ko naman na masaya silang lahat. Ayaw mo kaulaw na ikaw na nagsayaw sa sayaw sa manubo.
Everybody put your hands up in the air!
Come on! Come on! Hey! pa ba? Pwede ba akong kumanta ng original song? Okay naman pala. Itong susunod kong kakantahin ay napaka-special sa akin. Kinanta namin to sa MOA Arena. Kinanta namin to sa Bini. Habang nandun sila. Ang title po nito, Binibining Pilipina. Kayo po, napaka-special din sa akin. Kaya yung Binibining Pilipina, ginawan ko po ng version ng Binibining Bicolana. Kaya pag sinabi kong oh, sabihin nyo, Binibining Bicolana. Ano? Okay, one try. Pag sinabi kong oh, sabihin nyo,
Binibining Bicolana.
parang nadidinig ko yata si Ate Danica lang. Di ko kayo nadidinig. Pwede bang pakilakasan? Pag sinabi kong oh, let's go! Binibining Bicolana, magayunon ka talaga.
Yes, Charlene!
Ibang klase ang dating, filming nakakaakit. Oh, Binibining Bicolana, buod ko sa imo sana, day ako masasawa, day na maghahanapan iba.
Everybody say!
Oh,
Binibining Bicolana. Let's go! Binibining Bicolana.
pag sinabi kong oh,
Binibining Bicolana.
pag sinabi kong oh,
Binibining Bicolana.
kaaya-aya kulit na makulit, maluyaking kahoy, Gwen, ito ang Gwen, Stacy so sexy, Mika halika, Joanna, sila akin na!
Binibining Bicolana.
Buod ko sa imo sana, day ako masasawa, day na maghahanapan iba. Hey girl, what's your name? Pleased to meet you. You're the one, yeah, I need you. Cause I got a things that I wanna teach you. Only one in my life, I wanna leave you. Oh, girl, you're the best, I must confess. You better than the rest. Can't be stressed with your hands up, make it touch. We gonna party like this for the rest of the night. Binibining Bicolana, buod ko sa imo sana, day ako magsasawa, day na maghahanapan iba. Oh,
Binibining Bicolana. Everybody!
pag sinabi kong oh,
Binibining Bicolana.
pag sinabi kong
Sa likod!
Binibining Bicolana.
One more
Pag
time!
sinabi kong oh,
Binibining Bicolana.
1, 2, 3. Binibining Bicolana. Oh, 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 Binibining Bicolana. Nakasiri! Pwede bang gumawa tayo ng memories? Gusto ko, lahat ng flashlight nyo naka-on. Ay, teka muna. Pwede bang pakipatay ng ilaw natin?
Yan, Soundtech, thank you so much.
Pwede ba lahat ng lahat ng ilaw natin nakataas lahat? Pwede ba yon?
Put up your lights on, everybody! Let's go!
Para lahat masaya!
Lights on, lights on! Let's go!
Taas lahat, taas lahat!
Yung mga nasa likod!
Yung mga nasa likod, pwede ba makitaas lahat? Bibigyan ko kayo ng t-shirt. Gusto niyo
Yan
ba
yung
yun?
may mga ilaw. Bibigyan namin ng t-shirt.
Wow, ang dami nila. Kakaunti naman. Wait, wait. Wait lang, wait lang.
Ayan, nabangan niyo, Sir Ernest. Nasa baba na siya.
May ba kayong lahat?
Put up your lights on, everybody!
Wait, wait, wait. Oh, binibining Pilipinas.
Say!
Oh, binibining Pilipinas. Oh, binibining Bicolana. Oh, binibining Bicolana. One more time. Oh, binibining Bicolana. Oh, binibining Bicolana. Okay, once again, kami po ang Overheat.
Thank you
Maraming
so much,
salamat po.
Naga City!
Alright,
Once
thank
again,
you
we're
very much.
overheat.
Thank you very much.
Once again, that
Overheat.
is the Overheat! Grabe, halika muna dito, kuya. Come and join me here. Madaming napatili ang ating, kung tayong binibining Bicolana, ang ating ginoong Bicolano, dinaan tayo sa sexy moves.
Yan. Oh.
So, kuya, madaming nagtatanong, ano daw bang pangalan mo?
Ako po pala si Ernest.
Ano yun? Yun lang, Ernest! Ernest daw. Siya si Ernest. Gusto niyo bang makita yung giling one more time?
Gusto niyo bang makita?
One more giling daw, Ernest! Yan! Thank you so much, Ernest
Thank you
of
po.
Overheat!
Ang feeling ko, ibibigay niyo yung t-shirt or hindi.
Po.
Ito, hindi mo ito bibigay? Hindi
Pamalit na-
naman.
Kuya Maki, pamalit
hindi
na daw
naman.
yun.
Hindi naman. Ang
Thank
pampalit
you,
na yun,
Ernest.
pampalit.
Everybody, are you ready? For the
Heto
one
na.
and the only Sky Garden, handa na ba ang gabos? By the way, Bicolandia, hindi lamang basta banda ang ating makakasama. Dahil may lalabas pong artista mula sa GMA7 starring sa Pulang Araw. So, naririnig ko na ang tilian. For sure, meron ng ilang nakadungaw. Nakita na ang ating featured artist na sorpresa din ngunyang aldaw. Kaya hindi ko na po papatagalin pa. Bago ang lahat, I would like to ask everyone, DJ Maki, ang request po ng ating susunod na banda, nais niya pong masaksihan ang gabos ng malapitan.
Alright.
Pero we wanna invite everyone
So,
na maglaog
lapit
po.
po tayo dito sa may
Yes.
dito sa may harang ng
Lahat po
Papayas.
tayo lapit, pero this time wala nang uupo dahil tayong lahat ay magsasayawan.
Okay.
Everybody, come on everybody, no exemption, come on in. And in return, kung sino po ang lahat ng nandito ngunyan, pipili po kami ng mapagbibigyan ng regalo mula sa Pocari Sweat. Come on everybody, lapit na tayo. And not just that, makikita nyo pa up close ang ating artista na kaibanan ngunyang aldaw. Lapit lang po, wala nang upo. Everybody, tayo po ang gabos. Yes, tayo po ang lahat. Ang ating mga Naganios and Nagani outside, pasok po tayo, kadakol pong spasyo digdiyo. Lapit po tayong lahat na jumalayo ang ating mga Bicolanos, Bicolanas na nasa likodan. Everybody, let us introduce ourselves first. DJ Mackie.
Once again, ako po si DJ Mackie Macha of Win Radio.
And I am DJ Chichoy of Win Radio. Wala pa tayong masigabong palakpakan dyan. Hoy! Hindi pa yun intro nung banda. Intro pa lang
Nakakabingi
yung
naman
pangalan
yun.
ko. Pangalan ko pa lang yun, di pa yun banda. Ulitin ko daw, DJ Chichoy, wala mang palakpakan dyan. Ano ka ba? Pangalan ko pa lang yun. Paano ba kaya kung banda na natin, DJ Mackie?
Again, DJ Chichay, dapat lapit po kayo dito. Yun po yung request
Yes, lapit po
ni
tayo.
Rio. Kanina
And
na mas
Pocari,
malapit.
kung sino po ang energetic na makita nyo, ituro nyo lang at bibigyan po natin ng regalo. Uy, gusto ko yung gumigiling na agad siya. Bicolandia! Make some noise! Grabe!
Ready na, Chichay. Pero syempre, bago yan, bago natin makasama ang Sky Garden, ay meron kaming ipapanood sa inyo.
Yes.
Konting background lang para sa ating special guest tonight.
And of course, DJ Mackie, meron din pong gustong magpa-shoutout. I-shoutout ko na muna po ang aking tatay na nakikinig ko niyan. Tatay Marvin, hello po. And of course, Papa Gats Amador, hello din po. Sa mga barkada ni Papa Gats na nakatutok sa tuya, Kuya Ibrahim Dakman, Regional Governor ng BNER. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Ang best friend kong si Nicole, I think, nandito rin. Kung nasan ka man, sana masaya ka.
Hello sa inyo. Ay, nandun sila. Oh, nandun sila. Okay. Hello
Ay,
sa
nako!
inyo. Hindi pa yun.
Sumusungaw na.
Hindi
Hoy!
pa yun. Manager
Hindi
nila
pa-
yun.
Manager pa lang yun.
Oo, manager nila yun.
Paano pa pag lumabas ng mismong banda? Bicolandia! May energy! Paba kayo! I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Let me hear you say hap, hap! Ang ating mga kabataan makukusog. Titos and titos! Let me hear you say hap, hap! Kadakol ng titos and titas pa lang ngunyan. Hindi ko na papatagalin pa. Everybody, handa na ba kayo for the one and only Sky Garden? Medyo mahina pa, DJ Mackie. Handa na ba kayo for the Sky Garden? Mapapasabi kang konnichiwa's up para sa susunod na banda with over 1 million followers on social media. They're the band that connects Japan and the Philippines. Their music is a fusion of J-rock and the heart of OPM, creating the unique sound of Japinoy rock.
Their song, Sorete Mo Kahit Na, was the official love theme song of GMA's hit series Pulang Araw, where their vocalist Rio also appeared as a cast member.
Now, get ready for unforgettable performance with on vocals Rio,
On
bass
Iwa,
on guitar Alvin.
and on drums, Isaiah.
Everybody, let's give it up for the one and the only Sky Garden!
Allow me to introduce ourselves. Konnichiwa top. We are Sky Garden. Everyone, I know you know this song. 오가네 가세그 원다시 월스타 오가네 가세그 원다시 월스타 Everybody put your hands in the air. Put your hands and drop, 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 drop. 오가네 가세그 원다시 월스타 오가네 가세그 원다시 월스타 Star, 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 star. 기라, 기라 원다시 월스타 오가네 가세그 원다시 월스타 Maraming, 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 maraming salamat sa inyong lahat! First of all, I would like to say thank you po sa lahat po ng mga nagpunta dito sa Pocari Stage. Thank you very much po. Sa mga po na nakapaupo, sana po lumapit po tayo because our band, we're gonna hype up. Dapat energetic tayo dito. And of course, Jose, LED. And of course, nagpapasalamat po rin po kami kay Mayor Lenny Robredo. Thank you very much po. Mr. Ravi Magno, Honorable Mayor Lenny Robredo, and of course, Pocari Sweat Philippines. Thank you so much po. And of course, Happy Peña Francia! Mga Bicolano! Sa mga lahat po nanonood, please everyone, let's join together, let's hype up together. Okay, so kami po ay Sky Garden. Half Japanese, half Filipino na banda. So kami po ay Japanese, and silang daw wala yung Filipino. Kaya kalahati. That's why half Japanese, half Filipino. Tapos yung mga kanta rin po namin, half Japanese, half Filipino. We called it Japinoy Rock. And actually, first time po namin dito sa Naga. First time po namin. Ang sarap ng pagkain ninyo, promise. Sarap na iwa. Ang sarap ng Bicoro Express. Ako favorite ko kinalas? Kinalas? Yeah. And then nag-practice pa ako ng Bicolano. Namumutan taka. Right? Okay, so everyone, yung mga kanta po namin, we called it Japinoy Rock kasi half Japanese, half Filipino eh. So, sino dito gusto maranasan kung ano yung Japinoy Rock? Everyone. Okay, kung alam nyo tong kanta, kantayin natin. Kung hindi nyo to alam, sasayaw tayo. Are you guys ready? Bicolano, Nagyelyo, are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go! May kumatok sa pintuan kung nakakandado. Parang ibang nagpupumili kahit di imbitado. Muy halatadong desperado. Let's go, Alvin! Natigaski! Let's go! Isaiah! Natigaski! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Napakahusay, di ba? Galing! Magaling! Okay. Let's be quiet, let's be quiet! Huwag niyo po kami kalimutan. We are Sky Garden! Kung di mo to gusto, tumabig ka dyan! Tumabig ka dyan! Tumabig ka dyan! Tumabig ka kung di mo to gusto, tumabig ka dyan! Maraming salamat po. Kamusta? Okay, masaya po ba kayo? Masaya? Sa mga tao po nasa likod, everyone can join, okay? Okay, alam ko umiinom po tayo, so mas masaya talaga. Thank you so much sa Hype Up. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. Wag niyo po natin kalimutan uminom ng tubig or Pocari Sweat. Okay? Walang tubig. Ito. joke. Okay. Maraming salamat po talaga. Hindi ko to na-expect. Ang saya dito. Ang saya talaga sa Naga. Sobrang saya talaga. Yeah. Worth it yung travel namin dito, as in, napakabait ninyo. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Is it okay to share our original song? Okay lang po ba? Di ba, Peña franchise about love, family, dancing. Di ba, puro happy? Tama po ba? Masaya. Pero minsan sa buhay natin, hindi lahat masaya. Diba minsan may mga tao bigla na lang nawala. Nawala man lang paalam, wala man lang closure, explanation, tapos bigla ka na lang nawala. Naranasan ko rin yun. And alam ko, may galit pa rin tayo sa dibdib natin. So for our next song, this song is para sa lahat ng mga naiwan at nasaktan! For our next song, ang title niya ay Goodbye in Japanese. Sayonara. So please listen, sayonara. Oh, bakit ba bigla kang lumayo? Nagkulang ba? ka rin. Binigay ko ang lahat. Hindi pa ba sapat? Sabihin lang upang malaman ko na mapanatag lang ang pusong ito. Iniwan mong litong-lito, hilong-hilong, hilong-hilong. 信じてたのに信じてたのに全て変わった終わったginawa ko lahat pero wala na ito ko itong wala tinigin na baka nanimo ka makasira na sayonara ginawa mo lang akong tanga maraming salamat po basta ka na lang nawala. Binigay ko ang lahat. Hindi pa ba sapat? Sabihin lang upang malaman ko na mapanatag lang ang pusong ito. Iniwan mong litong-lito, hilong-hilong, hilong-hilong. 信じてたのね信じてたのねSa mata, hindi nawawala sugat at marka. Ang dala-dala ay itamigan. Veneno corrico, no mato, no goes through the gate. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Yes. Hindi pa namin ito nare-release yet. So, soon. That was our song called Sayonara. Okay. So, alam niyo po ba, sa culture ng Philippines, meron pa akong, hindi pa ako sanay sa kultura na ito. Di ba sa Philippines, meron po tayong harana? Meron, di ba? Actually, I'm trying it, pero nahihiya pa rin ako. Pero gusto ko pa mag-challenge. So, ito po yung tanong ko. Sino dito ang mga single? And of course, sino dito pwede umakyat dito sa stage? Okay lang bang magharana dito sa stage? Sino po yung mga single dito? Dapat 18 na ba? Dapat 18 pataas. Gusto mo? Iwan. Sige, halika. Ikaw. Gusto mo eh. Are you sure? Sige, halika. Get up. Yeah. Sige. Kaya niyo ba ipasok? Kaya niyo ba ipasok?
18 pataas. Tama? 18 pataas. Halika, come here, come here. Underage ba? 18, 8. Ilan taon ka na? Ilan taon ka na? Ha? Hindi pwede, sorry. Hindi pwede. Ikaw na lang. Are you sure? Sorry kita. Sige, come here, come here. Halika na. Okay. Sorry. Sino ba dito? Dami nakaturo ah. Sige, isa sa inyo dyan. Sino? Okay. Okay, halika, come here. It's okay, huwag ka mahiya. Come here, come here. So, what is your name? Ano yung pangalan mo?
Janelle po.
Janelle. Janelle. Ilan taon ka na?
18 po.
Oh, 18. Happy birthday. Yeah. Ito yung importante question. Single ka ba?
May,
May boyfriend daw eh. No, hindi pwede na pag may boyfriend kasi... Ha?
yung pinsan ko po, pwede dito.
Yung pinsan mo. Sige, may boyfriend pala, so hindi pwede. Okay. Bababain natin. Sorry pa ulit-ulit. Okay. Yung mga single dito single. Sino ba? Are you sure? Yung mga gusto mo umakyat dito. Sino gusto umakyat dito? Okay, tara, halika. Okay, ikaw. Come here. Hey, single, 18 pataas. Okay, ano yung name mo?
I'm Mary Joyce Bartolome Sevilla and I'm 22 years old.
Mary Joyce. Ganda, I like that name. Pwede ba kita haranahin? Okay lang. Okay. Come here. Okay, just look at my eyes, okay? Just look at my eyes. Focus ka lang sa akin, okay? Are you ready? Sa hawakan mo kamay ko nang napakaibig. Pakinggan mo tinig ko, di mo ba pansin?
Babalik pa rin sa yakap hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin ko maging sa'yo. Nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. You were always gonna be my love. Maraming salamat po. Please everyone, round of applause. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. Kinabahan ako, sobra. Okay. Everyone, okay lang po ba? Mag-share ng isa pang kanta. Original song, okay lang po ba? Okay, may isa akong tanong sa inyong lahat. Naranasan nyo na ba na may gustong-gusto ka sa isang tao, pero hindi kayo pinapansin? At paulit-ulit nyo gustong sabihin na sana ay makita mo rin ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Please listen, Cocoa! Sa aking kwarto, hinintay yung tawa. Ngunit bakit ganon? Bakit ganon? Di mo pinapansin. Nagtatanong sa aking sarili, ba't nagmamahal sa'yo? Lagi na lang umaasa. Ngunit hindi ko kayang tagihan ang aking nararamdaman. Kung di
ay makita mo rin ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Sana ay makita mo rin na tunay na aking pag-ibig sa'yo, sa'yo. Sana ay makita mo rin ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Sana ay mapagbigyan ng isang hamak na palaging umaasa at tingnan. Yun pala, hanggang doon lang ang kaya. Akala ko ay pwede pa. Masakit mag-isipin, kailangan tanggapin kung kailan ka naging seryoso, tsaka kanya gagaguhin. Oh, Diyos ko, ano ba naman ito, di ba? Nagmukha akong tanga, pinaas na lang ako. Leche pagkito. Diyos ko, ano ba naman ito? Nangangarap, nakikiusap, nangungulila ang aking puso. Kahit ako'y mukha ng tanga, ikaw pa rin ang gusto kong mahalin. Sana ay makita mo rin ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Sana ay mapagbigyan ng isang hamak, ikaw pa rin ang gusto kong mahalin. Ikaw pa rin ang gusto kong mahalin. Maraming salamat po. Okay, I have one question. Pwede ko po ba i-share yung Japanese music? Okay lang po ba? Okay lang? So ito po yung tanong ko po sa inyong lahat. Sino po dito ang mahilig sa anime? If you all love anime, you know this song. Hey, hey. ganun pa rin, kumakapa sa dilim. May kasama ka kapatid, kaibigan, hanggat ako'y humihinga, may pag-asa ka. Okay, mga Bicolano, one more chorus, isa pa, sabay, sabay! Are you guys ready? And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Sinong sawa, sinong galit, sumigaw ngayong gabi. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Ngayon, dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Kamusta ka na? Palagi kita pinapanood, nakikita. Everyone! Huwag ka na mawala, huwag ka na mawala. Ngayon, dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Dance! Thank you very much. Okay, masaya naman, everyone. Mamaya, okay. Alam niyo po ba, sa kultura ng Philippines, we are really, really amazed talaga. Alam niyo, in Japan, we don't say, I love you, mahal kita, ganun. Wala po kaming ganun. Pero dito sa Philippines meron eh. You say I love you to your loved ones, to your family. You say I love you, right, to your friends and family. Tama po ba? And dito ko na rin na-experience yung ano eh, update. Mahal, asan ka na? Babe, kumain ka na ba? Importante mag-update dito sa Philippines, right? Dapat lang, tama po ba? Dapat lang, yeah. And then kami po, we want to adapt that kind of culture. Kaya sana nga rin what do you call? Sana may girlfriend din ako na masabi ko ng I love you every single day. So, for our next song, this song is to remind us all na kahit anong mangyari, piliin pa rin natin ang magmahal. Yes. So for our next song, actually this song, I sang this with Jillian Ward sa Pulang Araw. Naging OST po siya. And may isa lang po akong tanong, if someone who can sing this song for us, kasi wala si Jillian dito, di ba? Who can sing the song? You. Who can sing the song? You can sing the song. Sore Demo, you can sing? Sore Demo. Are you sure? Kenta. Okay, so you know the song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your name?
My name is Juban Sofia Sevilla po.
Sophia? Sophia?
Yes po. Sofia po.
Sophia.
Yes po.
Ilan taon ka na?
I'm 20 years old po.
Really? Nice. So you know the song Sore Demo
Yes po.
from Pulang Araw?
Yes po.
Really?
Pulang araw.
So alam mo yung lyrics ng Julian Ward?
Yes po.
Really? Okay. Are you sure ready ka?
Yes po.
Okay. Sige. Dito ka muna. Tatawagin kita pag part mo na. Dito ka. Here. Yes, dyan ka muna. Okay, dito ka lang. Kenta, mito ite. Just look at her. Dyan, okay. Okay, so for our next song, this song is called Sore Demo. Kahit na. Kinanta ko to with Julian Ward and naging isa siya sang OST ng Pulang Araw and GMA. Yes, so please listen po. Okay, Sophia, it's your turn. Are you sure? Kaya, okay. Okay, just focus lang. Yeah, relax lang, okay? And 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Sa bawat tingin, ika'y ibig. Tingin mo ang bulong nitong pusong umiibig. Ang aking hiling, sana'y manatili. Lahat ay aking gagawin upang magkapili.
Ako ng puso, di maglalaho. Ibig ng puso, ikaw pa rin. Go, go, go.
Pag-ibig ko sa iyo, saksi ang araw. Ika'y aking palalaman. Pangako ko sa iyo, na balang araw magtatagpo ang tadhana.
Magkaiba man ang mundo at ating tadhana. Isang dilig ng pag-ibig.
愛してるよそれでも僕は君を思うから会いに行くよそれでもまたどこかで会えたら
Okay, everyone, please a round of applause for Sophia! Pag-ibig ko sa iyo, saksi ang araw. Ika'y aking paglalaban. Pangako ko sa iyo, na balang araw magtatagpo ang tadhana. Saksi ang araw sa ating tadhana. Saksi ang araw sa ating tadhana. Please a round of applause for Sophia.
Ladies and gentlemen, we regret to inform you that Sky Garden is tired. Today's performance will now come to an end. Thank you very much for spending your time with us.
Sky Garden is a genetic name of Javanoy rock. Side effects may include joy, confusion, or love. For complaints or heartbreak, email 1997skygarden@gmail.com. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor. Consult your doctor. Consult your doctor.
Consult your doctor.
You're fragile. Man, you're fragile. Man, you're fragile. Man, you're fragile. Are you guys ready? I want some, I get some no later. I woke up and baked that potato. Got up to shake me for me marumi, 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 ew. Kadiri, yeah, I'm gonna see you later. Pagkatapos ko mag-shower, medyo rami ko ng power. Kulang pa sa sour mga hair, kaya alam rin yung mga bagay-bagay. Di pwede ani sa aking bahay. Tahimik lang daw ang matibay, pero pag tinawag talaga mag-iingay. Gento, 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 dito basta-basta bingo. Linggo, kapuntero parang bento. Gento, ano kaya mo? Pinay, ano kaya mo muna makakita lang ang hinto. Hinto, kahit na walang panghinto. Gento, kung sino bawat bitaw ko. Mismo, eto kaya mo, di ka basta-basta makakakita ng gento. Di ko na kailangan lumunok ng bato, hindi maladang ako. Andar ang makina ko, tanging mekaniko. Ayaw ko, lang ang moni-moni ko. Sa daming pinagdaanan, nagbato ng historiko. Shows mga chismosa, halika't pumanik na rito. Hindi ko talaga magaling, hindi ko pang hindi. Sa likod mata ko, hindi, kay manang kumakute. Alisto, dahil alisto. Kahit pa sila'y pisto, tiktok na may peace mode na pisto. Yeah, I know this isn't over. Pagkatapos ng disaster, alam ko na I'm in danger. Dahil ang gusto na magiging better, kaya alam rin naman ang bagay-bagay. Pwede na ako sa kulay. Lahat ng mataas na gina, sunugin naman todo naman matilay. Gento, 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 dito basta-basta bingo. Linggo, makumpleto parang bento. Gento, ano kaya mo? Pinay, do kaya pupunang makakita lang ang hinto. Hinto, kahit na walang panghinto. Gento, kung sino bawat bitaw ko. Mismo, ano kaya mo? Di ka basta-basta makakakita ng gento. Okay, I would like to introduce you. Napakahusay na gitarista namin. His name is Alvin! Gento, gento. Maraming salamat po. Napakainit dito, no, everyone? Okay, Bicolano! This is our last song. Okay, may request ako sa inyong lahat. May request ako sa inyong lahat. Isa-isa. Look at my eyes. When I say jump, everybody will jump. Are you guys ready? Peña Franco, are you guys ready? So tatalon tayo, ha? When I say jump, talon. Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, let's go. Papakita natin sa 1 million followers. Let's go. And 1, and 2, and 1, 2, 3, let's go. Jump, 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 jump. Gento, 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 gento. Parang araw mag-ialgo. Gusto ko kagaya ko si Algo. Parang Michael Jordan humahal score. Kilala magaling pagdating sa ring. Parang araw mag-ialgo. Gusto ko kagaya ko si Algo. Parang Michael Jordan humahal score. Pero parang mag-ialgo. Go, gento, gento, everyone. One more, gento, 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 gento. Ingat, ingat, ingat. you so much po. Maraming salamat po. Please, okay. 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, when I say Pocari, everyone will say sweat. Pocari! 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 Maraming salamat po. Please don't forget to follow us, Sky Garden. Thank you po. Okay, thank you so much.
Alright! Arigatou gozaimasu!
Arigatou
Maraming salamat!
gozaimasu, Sky Garden! Sky Garden, we would like to request one more selfie because we wanna gather some of the crowd on the side. Is it okay? I-gather lang namin ang lahat. Everybody, sa lahat po ng gustong mag-join, lapit mo na po tayo for the group picture. Pero bago ang lahat, wala bang palakpakan na may hiyawan? Grabe, that is the Sky Garden. Let's take a picture once again together with the one and the only Sky Garden. So everybody compress. Very good. One more time, compress. Kuya, mapapicture. Sir Rio, can we join with them in the radio station? Okay, on the other part. Ready, everybody, for the first pose and smile. And this time, hands up for Sky Garden! Wala bang palakpakan na may hiyawan?
Thank you very much!
That
Thank
is the
you.
one and the only Sky Garden, everybody. Once again, thank you so much.
Ria, thank you so much! Arigatou gozaimasu!
Ria, thank you so much.
Thank
Would you like to say something for your fans?
Yes!
Please don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Sky Garden po. Yes, and of course, ang tawag po namin sa fans, Gardenians. Sa mga nanonood na Gardenians, thank you so much for supporting us. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so much
you.
once again, everybody. That's Rio. Napaka-pogi. Wala bang palakpakan dyan?
Thank
Once
you!
again, thank you so much, Rio of Sky Garden and Gardenians. Thank you so much for joining us this evening. Once again, we are...
I am DJ Maki Match of Win Radio!
And I am DJ Chichay na nagsasabing maraming salamat po and Happy Fiesta Naga City! Thank you so much, everybody, and have a good night. Maraming salamat po.
The Peña Francia Festival Civic Events is presented by the City Government of Naga, headed by Mayor Lenny Robredo and Vice Mayor Gabi Bordado. Platinum sponsors, Coca-Cola and San Miguel Brewery. Gold sponsors, Dito Telecommunity, Pepsi Cola, Lotus Blue Hotel, the official residence of Miss Bicolanja candidates. Silver sponsors, BDO, McDonald's, LYRR Realty Development Corporation, Developer, Deca Homes and Uma Hotel and Residences, Philworks Construction and Supply, Robinson's Naga, Summit Hotel Naga. Bronze sponsors, Avenue Plaza Hotel, Bicol Isarog Transport System Incorporated, Biggs, Development Bank of the Philippines, DLTV Co., the official transport service of Miss Bicolanja candidates, Downtown District Hotel, Philinvestland, Developer, Futura Monte, Fronera Philippines Incorporated, Ginebra San Miguel, Globe Telecom, Hotel Sogo, JBE, Jaime Bichara Enterprises, Jollibee, Las Automotive Corporation, Mang Inasal, Lupa Incorporated, Mega Prime Foods Incorporated, Motor Trade, Nature Spring, Pocari Sweat, Smart Communications, South Star Drug, LCC Malls, Sierra de Ibalon Travel and Tours Incorporated, PLDT Home and Lautan Luas Incorporated.